Hello, and welcome to this video on cultivating habits. As you learned in the previous video, habits are behaviors that are repeated on a regular or daily basis, and in time they start taking less and less physical and mental energy. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important principle when it comes to habit formation, something that a lot of people get wrong, which is consistency over perfection. We know that habits are behaviors that are repeated on daily or regular basis. But when we think of consistency, we think of performing that behavior with 100% energy every day. This is not how it is, especially when you are just starting to learn a particular behavior or trying to convert it into a habit. In the initial few weeks, consistency will look something like the bottom row that is on your screen right now, which means that there will be days where you are actually able to perform that habit to the 100% energy and to the 100% completion. Okay. But then there are going to be days where maybe you are only able to do the task for 75% of the time or the energy that you have. Maybe some days you will only be able to do half the task. Maybe some days you will only be able to do 25% of the task. But what's very important is to show up every day and do the task every day, no matter for how long. The more you do the task on a daily basis, the more comfortable you will get, the more used to you will become, which is why you should always go for consistency over perfection. Are you able to understand this point? Can you include this new strategy that you have just learned to develop your target habit? Remember the behavior that we asked you to choose in the end of the first video? Yes, that one. So try to apply this new strategy to that particular behavior. Excellent. If you're able to do that and you're excited to move on and learn the next couple of strategies, click play on the next video.